Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to easily see your TikTok watch history, search history and comment history. Be sure to watch the video till the very end to avoid any mistakes, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your device, go to your profile page by tapping on the Me icon at the bottom right corner. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner to access the menu. Select Settings and Privacy from the menu. Now locate and tap on Activity Center. In the Activity Center, you find section for your watch history, comments history and search history. To view your watch history, tap on Watch History. Here you'll see all the videos you've watched on TikTok in chronological order. Swipe up to scroll down and load more videos. If you want to delete a video from your watch history, tap on Edit, select, choose the videos you want to remove, then tap on Delete. Confirm your action and selected videos will be removed from your watch history. Similarly, you can check your comment history and search history in the same way. That is it. That's how you can easily check your history on TikTok. Thanks for watching.